10 The best sources of protein for individuals following a vegetarian or vegan. Vegetarians and vegans have many nutritious options for obtaining protein from plant-based sources. Here are some of the best sources of protein for individuals following a vegetarian or vegan diet. 1. Legumes. Legumes are a versatile and affordable source of plant-based protein. They include beans such as black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, and lentils, peas such as green peas, split peas, and black-eyed peas, and soy products such as tofu, tempeh, edamame, and soy milk. Legumes are also rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 2. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are nutrient-dense sources of protein, healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Include a variety of nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, cashews, and peanuts, and seeds, such as chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds, in your diet as snacks, toppings, or ingredients in recipes. 3. Quinoa. Quinoa is a unique plant-based protein source that contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. It's also gluten-free and rich in fiber, iron, magnesium, and other nutrients. Use quinoa as a base for salads, stir-fries, soups, and grain bowls. 4. Tempeh. Tempeh is a fermented soy product that's high in protein, probiotics, and nutrients like iron, calcium, and B vitamins. It has a firm texture and nutty flavor, making it a versatile ingredient for grilling, sautéing, stir-frying, or marinating. 5. Tofu. Tofu, also known as bean curd, is made from soybeans and is a staple ingredient in many vegetarian and vegan dishes. It's high in protein, low in fat, and rich in calcium, iron, and other nutrients. Tofu comes in various textures, such as silken, soft, firm, and extra firm, making it suitable for different cooking methods and recipes. 6. Seitan. Seitan, also known as wheat gluten or wheat meat, is a popular meat substitute made from wheat protein. It has a chewy texture and absorbs flavors well, making it a versatile ingredient for stir-fries, sandwiches, stews, and sausages. Seitan is high in protein and low in fat, but it's not suitable for individuals with gluten intolerance or celiac disease. 7. Plant-based meat alternatives. There are many plant-based meat alternatives available on the market made from soy protein, pea protein, wheat gluten, or other plant-based ingredients. These products mimic the taste, texture, and appearance of animal meat and can be used as substitutes in recipes like burgers, sausages, meatballs, and nuggets. 8. Nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast is a deactivated yeast that's often used as a seasoning or flavor enhancer in vegetarian and vegan dishes. It has a cheesy, nutty flavor and is rich in protein, vitamins, especially B vitamins, and minerals. Sprinkle nutritional yeast on popcorn, pasta, salads, or soups for added protein and flavor. 9. Plant-based protein powders. Plant-based protein powders made from sources like pea protein, rice protein, hemp protein, or a blend of plant proteins are convenient options for adding protein to smoothies, shakes, or baked goods. Choose high-quality protein powders with minimal additives and sweeteners. 10. Spirulina and chlorella. Spirulina and chlorella are nutrient-rich algae that are high in protein, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They're available in powdered form and can be added to smoothies, juices, or energy balls for an extra boost of protein and nutrition. By incorporating these plant-based protein sources into your diet, you can meet your protein needs and enjoy a variety of delicious and nutritious vegetarian and vegan meals. Remember to eat a balanced diet that includes a variety of protein-rich foods, along with plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats to support overall health and well-being. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to reach out. Stay tuned for more content coming your way soon.